Hi, welcome to ICU-Python, and today we'll be seeing the solution for Codechef January Long Challenge Part 1 and for Kepler's Law, right? So let's go to the question. Question has some long paragraph, I mean a small paragraph, but then what they're saying is that the square of time, we need to verify Kepler's Law, and then the square of time period of the planet is directly proportional to cube of semi-major axis. It's like an ellipse, and this is valid for planets in the same star they're given. So what we are given is that the input is T1, T2, R1, R2, and the figure for T test cases, and for each test case we are provided with 4 values: T1, T2, R1, R2. So we need to check if it's valid. I mean, this equation is valid for it or not, right? So print yes if it's law is satisfied, or else print no. So if you see the first question, first test case 1111. So what they are doing is that 1 square divided by 1 cube is equal to 1 square divided by 1 cube. So if you see that second test case will be much more clear. They have given 1, 2 and 3, 4. So 1 and 2 are T1 and T2, and 3 and 4 are R1 and R2. So 1 by 3 and 2 by 4, like 1 square divided by 3 cube, and then 2 square divided by 4 cube. So that they are checking if it is equal. So 1 and 3, 2 and 4. So that's what we need to check. So without further conversation, let's just show the code. I mean, just see the code. So the first line is for every test cases. We are getting input, and then we are iterating it for every test case. We are getting 4 inputs, A, B, C, D, and then we are checking if A square divided by C cube is equal to B square divided by D cube. So if it is satisfying, then we print yes, or else it's no. So I have done the code. I have 100% correct, and here's the thing. So the code is this one, and I'll be posting this after 3 o'clock, I think, after the test ends, contest ends. That's it for this question. Thank you. Bye. Please make sure that you subscribe and like.